Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we're unboxing and comparing two business laptops from HP's EliteBook line, the 14-inch 6G1i versus the 16-inch 6G1i. We'll look at size, portability, screen internals, battery, and which might suit your workflow best. Inside the boxes you'll get the laptops in premium silver aluminum, a 65-watt USB-C charger, documentation, and that's it. No extra clutter, just the essentials. The 14-inch model is light enough, weighs around 1.40 kilograms, fits neatly in a backpack, and feels more balanced on your lap. The 16-inch model, however, adds noticeable bulk at 1.75 kilograms. And while still portable, it leans more toward a semi-stationary work setup. Both models share the same chassis height, 1.09 centimeters at the front and 1.7 centimeters at the rear. Both laptops have identical ports. On the left side of the laptop, there are one HDMI, two USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 4, one USB Type-A, a combo audio jack, and an optional Smartcard reader. And on the right side, one USB Type-A, one LAN port, and optional nano SIM card slot. Although the 16-inch model is heavier, it provides around 30% more screen area, better for multitasking with side-by-side windows or larger content workflows. While the 14-inch model better suits those who use an external monitor at home or in the office and take the laptop more often on the go. One key difference between these two models is the keyboard layout. If you require a full-size keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad on the right, the EliteBook 6 G1i 16-inch is your only option. This feature is not available on the 14-inch model. All HP EliteBook 6 G1i 14 and 16 models feature slim screen bezels with an integrated privacy shutter and full HD or 5 megapixel webcam depending on the configuration. Plus, they all have military-grade durability certification. Talking about battery, it supports fast charge and comes in 48 watt-hour or 56 watt-hour variants. These two EliteBooks I am reviewing are nearly identical in core hardware. Both share the same processor, RAM, storage, display specs, and enterprise management features. The sole meaningful difference is screen size, corresponding chassis dimensions, and keyboard layout.